Sup, Kia Too Technical. So I'm back again with another video, and today I just wanted to do a sound test. I wanted to test out the sound on the Google Pixel Fold and on the Z Fold 3. So pretty much I have some non-copyrighted music here that I loaded up on YouTube, and we're just going to play it and see who sounds better and clearer. So first, let's do the Google Pixel Fold, since it is the newer device. We turn the volume up. On your Google Pixel Fold. Speakers. So this is what it would sound like, the Google Pixel Fold. So now let's do your Z Fold 3. Let's turn the volume all the way up on your Z Fold 3. And this is what you were getting on your Z Fold 3. So now, let's try to see if we can do this simultaneously real quick. Well, let me let that play a little bit more, so I want it to stop at the exact same, right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna let you hear this. I'm trying to see here which one I like better. To me, they sound okay, you know, not too bad. Let me know which one you think sounds better, but I want to play another song real quick. I don't know, this to me sounds a little bit louder, but just a tad bit, not much, but just a tad bit louder. This one sounds a little different, a little muddy, a little bit, not much. So now let's try some other music, some other kind of music, because I want to see if I can test some other things out. Because this is on a, this volume is all the way up on 100%, and I don't know, it sounds good on here, but on your Z Fold 3 the volume goes up a tad bit louder than it does on your Pixel Fold, and that's crazy, but that's just how it is. So I'm gonna pause that. I'm gonna play it on the Z Fold 3. You can hear it. I'm gonna wait till this gets to 37 before I stop it, so we can play them simultaneously, side by side. Okay, so sounds more fuller over here on the Z Fold 3 than it does on the Google Pixel Fold. But I'm not saying the Google Pixel Fold sounds horrible. I'm just saying it sounds a tad bit better on my Z Fold 3 than on the Google Pixel Fold. But now they're playing at the exact same time. I'm going to move this back. The Z Fold 3 is playing. Now I'm going to put Pixel Fold here. Now, in the comment section below, let me know what you think. They both do sound good, but it just sounds like this gets a little louder and clearer on your Z Fold 3 than on the Google Pixel Fold. But just let me know in the comment section below what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.